There is nothing like the smell of suya sizzling on the grill. Spicy and full of flavor, this Nigerian barbecue brings all the cozy weekend vibes right to your home. Simple ingredients but full of comfort. Welcome back to Adeejat's kitchen. Today we are making a delicious and spicy homemade suya, Nigerian street barbecue at its best. Now let's get cooking. Over here I am using ribeye steak, but you can use any part of beef that you like. Cut the beef into strips. Now set it aside and let's put the spices together. Over here I have onion powder, garlic powder, ginger powder, chili powder, paprika and beef rub. Please note that the beef rub is optional. Now mix the dried spices together. Go ahead and add your bouillon. Please note that you can use any seasoning cubes or bouillon of your choice, but this happens to be what I had at home at the time. Then add your salt and your cooking oil. Go ahead and mix it together properly to form a paste. Add the mixture to the beef and mix it together properly until the beef is completely covered. All the ingredients for this recipe will be in the description box of this video. Now go ahead and cover it up, put it in the refrigerator and let it marinate for about 4 to 8 hours. You can actually leave it overnight. Now go ahead and add your suya spice to it, mix it together and let it set for another 1 hour, or you can just go ahead and grill it. Place your rack on a baking pan. This will help build the drippings from the beef. Then go ahead and oil the rack to avoid stickiness. Now go ahead and lay all the beef strips on the rack. If you made it to this point of the video, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Thank you. Now go ahead and transfer it to an oven set on 400 degrees Fahrenheit for about 5 to 7 minutes on each side. Here it is, guys. Forget fancy. This is pure flavor straight from the streets of Nigeria to your kitchen. Go ahead and cut the beef suya into smaller pieces and enjoy every bite of it. Listen, guys, this Nigerian barbecue hits differently. If you know, you know. Okay, guys, I hope you learned something from this video. Don't forget to leave a comment. Have you ever had Nigerian suya? Would you try it out if you have the opportunity to? And let me know what you think about this recipe. Bon appetit. Bye.